How to log into Roblox if you forgot your password. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Roblox if you forgot your password. So you want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now for this, we have to reset our password. And in order to reset our password, first of all, open your browser and then come to www.roblox.com. I'll make sure to drop a link down below as well. Once you come to www.roblox.com, over here, what you want to do is you'll come to the login page. So just make sure that you're in the sign in page. Now if you remember your password, of course, you'd enter your username, your email, phone, and password and sign into your account. But if you don't, then you'll find the option that says forgot password or username. Just tap on that option. Once you tap on the option called forgot password and username, here it says if you have added a phone number, by the way, you can go ahead and reset it using a phone number, but I have not added a phone number, so I'll just choose the option called use email to reset password. So you can use either your email or either your phone number, it doesn't really matter. I'll just select use email to reset it. Now over here, I'll simply enter the email address on which my Roblox account was associated with, and then you want to make sure you have access to this email, because obviously you will not be able to reset your password if you don't have access to this email address. Once you've done so, just tap on the submit button. Now it will send some kind of verification link or anything else. So first, I'm also going to verify this challenge so that we know that it's not a bot. So you just go ahead and fill out all these details first of all as well. And once you've verified, you can see it says an email with instructions has been sent to you if the email was previously saved on your account. So we're going to tap on OK, and now we're going to go ahead and then open up our email and then check whether or not we have received some kind of email from Roblox. If you don't find it, just try to refresh it a couple of times over here. You can also try going to the all inboxes section and then see if you've actually received a verification code from Roblox. So as you can see at the very top, I have received an account password reset link from Roblox right over here. Now this may take a couple of seconds to come over to your mail, so make sure that you have access to internet connection, and then you want to just tap on it. Once you do that, here you'll find the option that says we have received a request to reset a password. So you want to tap on this button that says reset password. When you tap on this button that says reset password, it will ask you to simply enter your new password without having to remember your old password, and that's all it takes to log into your Roblox account if you forgot your password. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.